everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess. So today I'm starting off a weekend vlog. So it is Saturday, it's now the afternoon. I made crepes this morning, which were really good. I was just craving something like sweet. And I'm so excited because we just found out the election results. It's about time we get some change going. So change is in the air, I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day. It's 70 degrees out right now, it's sunny, like weather is beautiful. So we are going to get food. I think we're gonna get Chipotle because I really want it. And we're gonna go like walk around. Crazy because it's November and I'm wearing shorts. Like I'm literally wearing biker shorts in November. And it's just crazy. But we're gonna make the most of this weather. Chipotle! So good. Today's car dining sesh brought to you by Chipotle.
Too small.
Secured the goods, Chipotle, probably my favorite fast casual. So good. Eating it in the car, and then we're gonna go walk around the beach. It is literally over 70 degrees. We're at the beach. It's crazy. Like, felt the water and all. It's so weird. And we're walking by like the Stone Pony, and there's the like sign that you could put like who's performing, and it says, "Megan, will you marry me?" So someone's like about to get proposed to, I think. Probably tonight, so that's really cute to see. Just a good Saturday. It's the next day, so now it's Sunday. I just woke up, it's like 9 a.m. and I'm just going to do like my morning skincare. It's really nice out again. It's like in the 70s, which is crazy, and we'll just see where the day takes us. So these are the products that I'm currently using. I've been using these for a while. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I use the Blue Lizard Reef Safe SPF and Trader Joe's High Cream. And then the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. I really like this. I do want to look into more like ethical and sustainable brands. So I might be switching this up soon. I've got about half the container left, so we'll go from there. But this has been working pretty good for me, so really like this. Good for red marks. Just had some lunch. I feel like I really haven't been vlogging much today. All I'm doing is like showing you guys my food. But just had some lunch, and we're gonna go to like the park and just take like a walk. It's 73 degrees out, I think. It's crazy. So yeah, we'll just get some fresh air, get outside. Just a really chill Sunday. I feel like there's not much we can really do right now, so I'm just trying to make the most of it. And I think as long as we're like doing something and getting outside, Like, I feel good, like, I'm good with that. We are at Hartshorne Wood Park, and it is like on the coastline of New Jersey, and it's pretty cool here. We found this like really cool like pathway. We kind of had to climb our way down a bit. Didn't fall, which is good. It's like a really cool little beach. I feel like we're on like a private beach.
Under here.
I'm like crouched down. I just like crawled under all these trees, and they've got this like cotton like fluffies. I don't know what it is. It's like we're in a jungle on the beach.
I know, I feel like I'm in Lost.
So I just got home, got pliables, it was really good. And honestly, like I'm pretty tired. So I'm just gonna chill for a bit, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow my Instagram at LifestyleJessica. I'll have everything linked down below, and I hope to see you all in my next video.